He wiped out and slid and hit his head on a light pole and lost his life right in front of the school across the street. Really sad and super crazy. 4. We were all called to an emergency assembly and told a student had passed away tragically. Her friends were distraught and even the people who didn't know her went quiet. I think I remember a group of students started putting together a type of memorial for her. The whole morning was morbid. Until this girl arrived at school and didn't know what was going on. How do you mess up that badly? 5. During lunch, if you picked up trash and turned it into the yard attendant, you would get a dime per piece. One kid did it religiously every lunch, and was tormented and bullied the whole time. Kids would knock the trash out of his hands, push him over when he picked it up, call him all sorts of names. They were relentless. Then, in junior year, he bought a '66 Mustang. Not an incident really, but I still have respect for that kid. 6. Kid punched a school cop. He pepper sprayed the entire hallway of kids, including me going to class. Tons of people ended up going to the hospital. Gotta skip my class though.